Hello! Hello! I'm Chris, and this is the Hume headquarters, well, old Hume headquarters, and today we're taking a quick walkthrough of all the updates and the changes that we made in just 3 years of living here, so let's just jump into it.
Updated a lot of the outlets. Changed out the faucet in the kitchen. Changed out this on the bottom of the kitchen. Changed out the wiring, or the plumbing, and changed out the disposal as well as the hose.
Added this new light fixture.
Dining room light fixture.
Changed out this whole fireplace right here. The tile, I just painted this, and then the surround, brand new.
Painted this room. It looks black, but it's actually purple.
And then this is the master bathroom. We did a lot of updates in here. This was probably my main big project, but as we go in here, we do the shower. Got the shower, new tile, new floor, put a whole new pan in there. The shower stuff, I actually got to get that out. And then in here, in the tub, I just painted that with the Rust-Oleum stuff. It was okay. It looks decent. Put a leaf wall up. That's not really enough. That's an update, but it was really easy to do. And then here we have sinks. New sinks. These are from Kraus. New sinks, new vanity. This is old, but I painted it, and then I redid the bottom here. Redid the plumbing. New mirrors from Hobby Lobby. New vanity light. Painted this. Painted these doors. Retextured the walls. Retextured the ceiling. And painted. Those are not new. What are those? Also put in new blinds. New blinds here. New blinds here too. Whee! Those are from IKEA. Pretty cool. Entryway light. Check. Oh. Changed out switches. Changed out these switches. I need to do that actually. Change out switch. This bathroom, we just painted. Just painted the walls. This room, we didn't even touch. Did not touch. In this room, these walls are black. Whoa, gotta crank it up. But I just painted, and that's about it. Forgot to put in this. Change this out. Oh, I got that Nest thermostat. Check. And that Nest CO2 and smoke detector. In this garage, it was orange. Now it's just kind of white, gray. There's the orange mark up there. Made this hole in the wall because the shower was messed up. New door handle, painted. Now I'm in the backyard. We did try to lay down grass twice. Once, Augustine all the way around. As you can see, it's pretty much dead. And the second time, we put in some other stuff here and back there to fill in the really shadowy, no sunlight spaces. But the dogs kind of wore that out, and during the winter, so dogs really tear up the grass, and over there as well, wore out. Now at the front door, we made a lot of updates. We actually paid someone to do this. Front door just painted, but we put in new hardy on the sides of the house. Had a pipe replaced right here. The switch replaced here. Also replaced the pump and I think all of the toilets in here. So that would be 3. I also painted this room. And then last but most certainly the most expensive, we changed out the whole downstairs windows. So these windows are like top-notch windows. I probably wouldn't have bought them now after doing it once just because they're so expensive, but they're pretty sweet. They keep the house cooler, and they look way nicer than the stupid metal ones that were on here before. So I'm not sure how many that ended up being. I was trying to count it last night, but I couldn't think of all the things. With all the outlets and the switches, the sideboard, the windows, the lights, the bathroom lights, some other switches in the bathroom, the whole bathroom besides the tile. Yeah, and a lot of other small things that just make the house feel better and increase the value of the home. We probably spent a little bit too much on the windows and the siding, but you know, that's cool. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed that walkthrough. Give me a like, hit the subscribe, and yeah, see you next time.